Hey guys, Jason here. So today I'm going to do another video on the JavaScript map method. This time I'm going to do an example on an array of objects. So I'm going to show you how to use a map method with an array of objects. So here I have a array of objects. It's called Marvel Movies. It's basically an array of, you can say, movie objects. So each object is going to be a Marvel movie. So we have Iron Man 3, Captain America, Spider-Man, Avengers, and each object has three properties. So it has an ID, a title, and a rating. So in this example, what I want to do is I want to use the map method to map over this array of objects, and I want to return a new array of objects, this time only containing, each object only containing the title and rating properties. So let's go into this diagram here. So basically here is our movies array. We have an array of objects with these properties: ID, title, and rating. And what we want is the result array, our new array, to be a array of objects, this time only containing the title and rating properties. So how this works is, like I said before in the previous video, the map method takes a function, iterator function. So what's going to happen is we're going to pass in, we're going to loop through every element in our array. So for the first element, we're going to take this object, pass it through our iterator function, and what this function is going to do is it's going to return, we want it to return an object with this title and rating property pairs. And yep, and so that's what we want. So we're going to need to write some code to make that happen. And so yep, let's go back into our REPL. So first things first, what I want to do is I'll just create another variable. I'll call it mapped movies, and we're going to use we're going to call our Marvel movies. We're going to call the dot map method on it, pass in our function, and for the property name I'll just use movie, since that makes sense. We're looping over basically movie objects. Okay, and so as you can, if you go back here, what we want is we want to return an object of this shape. So we want our object to have the title property with its value and also a rating property with its value. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to return, and I'm going to create an object because that's what we want inside our new array. And remember, we want our first property to be a title, and the value we're going to take will be the current movie object that we're on. So we're going to do movie dot title, and then for our second property, which was rating, and we're going to give that value movie dot rating. Okay, and so as you can see here, we are we're returning an object because that's what we want inside our new array. It's going to be another array of objects, and we're going to give it this property name, title, and its value is going to be movie.title. And remember, movie is the current element that we're iterating over. So in this case, our first one would be this object, and we're going to grab the title property, so that's why we're doing movie, which is referencing this object, and then dot title, which is referencing this property, hence giving us this value, which is Iron Man 3. And so let's do a console.log map movies, and we'll run that. And there you go. We have our array of objects now containing the title property and the rating property as well. So there you go, guys. Hopefully that was helpful. So yeah, hopefully the diagram helped out, and this code example showing you how to loop how to map over an array of objects and returning a new array with, specific values that you want. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day.